think we should begin. I think we
Yeah.
have a quorum and we have our illustrious guest, Vijay Balakar, accompanied by our illustrious Tablaji, Cliff. Um, I think most of you know their, know them. I'm just going to say, let's commence. Let's commence with the music.
Yeah.
Maybe we should say Avatar Meher
Star
Baba.
Meher Baba
की
ki
जय।
jai. And
Avatar. Go ahead.
Meher Baba ki jai.
Hey, Avatar Meher Baba. Ki Jai. What a wonderful couple
Yeah.
of musicians we have with
Uh-huh.
us. All right.
And yeah, and I begin with the Om Para Brahma,
Mm.
written by Baba as a Huma song. And yeah.
So Baba wrote it. This was Baba's.
Yeah, it's a Huma song in praise of Upasni Maharaj. Did I put that Rupatar? So you know the Om tu Paramatma tu Ram tu Bhagavan tu Om tu Paramatma tu Ram tu Bhagavan tu God tu Allah Ahurama Brahma tu Yazdan tu Om tu Paramatma tu Ram tu Bhagavan tu जगत करता पिता तू तू ही पालनहार है तू जगत करता पिता तू तू ही पालनहार है मालिक हर दो जहां तू एक तू एक सान तू ओम तू परमात्मा तू राम तू भगवान तू तुझसे पैदा सारी हस्ती तुझसे कुदरत का निशान तुझसे वेरी गुड सारी हस्ती तुझसे कुदरत का निशान हाजिर है हर शय में यकसा अज़ नज़र पिन आन तू ओम तू परमात्मा तू राम तू भगवान तू तुझे से कुल खते पैदा तू जमीनों तू
आसमान आसमाने खुर्शीद तू ही कब के तू मेहरबान तू तू परमात्मा तू राम तू भगवान तू हुक्म तू हाकिम तू ही महकुम भी तू ताखुदा हुक्म तू हाकिम तू ही महकुम भी तू ताखुदा तू ही मालिक तू ही नौकर तू गदा सुल्तान तू तू परमात्मा तू राम तू भगवान तू तू ही मालिक तू ही नौकर तू गदा सुल्तान तू तू ही मालिक तू ही नौकर तू गदा सुल्तान तू इश्क तू फुरकत भी तू है वस्ल तू दीदार भी ओम तू परमात्मा तू राम तू भगवान तू तू सनम आशिक तू ही जान तू जानात तू तू है निराकार बेरंग तुझे से सब रंग आशिका तू सनम आशिक तू ही है जान तू जानात तू ओम तू परमात्मा तू है निराकार बेरंग तुझसे सब रंग आशिका तू बशर जिनों परी तो हुर तू गुलमान तू ओम तू परमात्मा तू राम तू भगवान तू ढूंढता हूँ तुझे को या रब क्यों नहीं मिलता मुझे ढूंढता हूँ तुझे को या रब क्यों नहीं मिलता मुझे फजल करके बसल दे तू रहम करे करमान तू ओम तू परमात्मा सद्गुरु उपासनी महाराज तू अवतार तू सद्गुरु उपासनी महाराज अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय. Meherban says, thank you, Upasni Maharaj. And you are avatar too, and you have done compassion on me, and you have given me the identity of God. Jai Baba. Thank you. Another Huma song Baba has written. Very nicely you play. You are going to be Ustad.
This is my mentor, DJ.
Rupak Tal. He's going to
Really
be
is.
Ustad
This
very
is-
soon. Ustad Cliff.
This guy is the best guy, alright? Jai Baba. Thank you, Baba.
I'm surprised, बहरे हक इश्के खुदा के सदगुरु बहरे हक इश्के खुदा के सदगुरु संग में हीरा जमा दे सदगुरु मुब्तिला इस हवा में अब तक हूँ जग की माया से छुड़ा दे सदगुरु मेरे हक इश्के खुदा के सदगुरु अंग में हीरा जमा दे सदगुरु आपकी सूरत पे हरदम चश्म है जल्दी खुद दर्शन दिला दे सदगुरु कर करामत से है बशीरत की नजरी शक मेरे दिल का मिटा दे सदगुरु आकिलों को लज़्ज़ते मस्ती कहाँ मुझको दीवाना बना दे सदगुरु बहरे हक इश्के खुदा के सदगुरु संग में हीरा जमा दे सदगुरु शागिर्द से रहे उस्ताद क्यों पास कदमों में बिठा दे सद्गुरु बहरे हक इश्क़े खुदा के सद्गुरु संग में हीरा जमा दे सद्गुरु गर तू ही अवतार है भगवान का राम से मुझको मिला दे सद्गुरु खून फुरकत में पिया करके शराब वस्ल का प्याला पिला दे सद्गुरु खाक पे माने सर रख कर कहा खुदा पुने दर पे बुला दे सद्गुरु बहरे हक इश्क़े खुदा के सद्गुरु संग में हीरा जमा दे सद्गुरु जय बाबा
Hey, Baba.
That's the nice cap, Bobby.
That's a cool hat.
Cool hat.
So how is the sound, everybody? Does it sound good?
Yeah, happy Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Good. Sounds good.
Yeah, yeah.
Marilyn is asking BJ, what is the name of this song?
Yeah, this is a Huma song, and the Huma Meher Baba, he says ki make diamond out of a stone. I'm like a stone, and oh ocean of love, Sadguru, and make me diamond out of a stone. I'm a stone. Yeah. I am involved in all these Mayavic things, my part, and then your and mine, and my part, your part. So this illusion, the illusory, worldly illusion, you take me out of this worldly illusion, Sadguru. Yeah. And if you are the real avatar of Lord, then please get me to the Ram, oh Sadguru. And yeah,
Now I have one of you with a hand up. Was that intentional? Did you want to say something, or I know I wanted to
yeah, yeah.
to say just to honor what you are together. You are just so smooth. It's just wow, which is just a testament to the talent of both of you. I wanted to say, now that I have my wits about me a little more, I wanted to say, just a bit about Vijay's story. His father, Sulu Meshram, met Baba in 1938 at age 14. So Vijay has grown up in this incredible atmosphere of of Baba's love, and we are so blessed that he enjoys us out here in the West so much. We get VJ. What a treat! What a wonderful thing that he's
VJ, tell a
so.
little bit about when you met Baba, VJ.
Yeah, I could. Yeah, it is a blessing to serve you, Baba lovers, and definitely. And see, the West is always aware. Means already aware of its divinity. When Western visited the Maharaja and Mehrabad, and Mandli used to welcome them very much. They say, "We have seen human side. Now we see the divinity of avatar from you people." So it is, and they were really surprised to that what they hear different stories. And here I like to sing Baba songs in the West as much as I can sing. I'm retired now, and
No, he's
so
just, vamping up his music career now.
yeah, career with
Once COVID dies down, he's hitting the road. We didn't tell him yet about it, but
without any charge.
Don't ever get famous, VJ. Oh, don't.
Yeah, I
We
met
love you just
Baba.
the
Yeah,
way.
I met Baba first time 1953, and Baba praised my father, Sulu, and it is in the Lord Meher that he said Sulu has not seen my real form, but still he has such a trust and faith in me, and he called him his childhood friend Sudama. So there is a chapter in the God is Lord Meher, and Baba appreciates all his lovers who has not seen his real form, though they have such a trust and faith in him, and they love Baba so much. And Baba has salutations from him, and yeah, so that's wonderful. And my father was since his childhood. First time we met him in 1938, and when he read Norino Machbeli and Baba's program in Nagpur, and he got attracted, and then he was invited by Baba at Panchagani. And when Baba, my father got married in 1946, and first time I had his blessing 53 at Nagpur, and Baba shook my hand. And 1960, Baba sent a two-page telegram inviting my father to Guru Prasad, and then I happened to also see Baba at Guru Prasad, and that was a really a unique experience of my life, and I think I'm still carrying those memories, sweet memories, cherish those memories, and which gives me energy, sustains me, and I could connect with Baba with
How old
those
were
sweet
you?
memories. Yeah.
How old were you, VJ, at Guru Prasad? How old?
At Guru Prasad, I was 9 year old, and I was kind of very curious to have a glimpse of Baba because I felt inwardly that he is God, Avatar. And so I was so kind of curious that the first day on 8th June 1960, when we went to Guru Prasad at 8 o'clock, though we were supposed to be there at 7:30, and we were late, little late. We stayed in the Banda Garden area, no, Ganesh Kind area, and through bus we went there, and so we were half an hour late, and we just rushed inside. And I was kind of curious which room Baba is. So I started checking all the rooms, and I know that Baba is here giving personal interviews. And so I went to that room, couldn't get comfortable glimpse. So I went to the window, and I just saw the shutter. I raised the shutter and peeped in, and I could see Baba's face inside, side face, and arched back was to me. And I got absorbed in watching him like this. And after a while, I felt a grab on my collar. Somebody pulled me by collar. And I looked at back, and it was Arch. and he was really angry at me, and he says, whose son you are? Is this not the way to peep into Baba's? This is the way to peep into Baba's room? And he shouted, and I was kind of so scared. And so then he said, close the window. And then some passerby he heard, and he came forward and closing the window, and Arach opens it again. No, let him close it. And I closed the window, and I was very nervous, very sad. After some time, Arach got back again. He loves me, kisses me, and then I was relieved. And then Baba called my father and me inside, and Baba asked my father. It was 8th June, and Baba asked him, why didn't you come on 5th June? See, there were thousands of people visiting him during that time. But he remembered my father. Say, why didn't you come on 5th June? And he said, Baba, my office didn't give me leave. And so he said, Baba says, okay. I was watching Baba's face, and then I thought, I should ask something. So I said, Baba, I I get scared in the darkness. And Baba looked at me and asked me, do you take my name? And as a kid, I thought, oh, I should be very truthful to God, honest. And I said, no, Baba. And Baba looked at me and said, take my name. So that's my strength. That taking Baba's name is really so dynamic, and I think that takes away everything, all worries and all. If I don't get good sleep, I take Baba's name. No problem. Take Baba's name and remember him as much I can. So that was my meeting with Baba. Yeah. And then, of course, I got to see him 62 East West Gathering, 61, 64, and then the last time 69 when Baba dropped his body. So I had those years. And then beautiful 40 years with the Mandali and with the all Westerners, where I got to know many of them while during my visit. And then, so it's the story, my short story. Yeah.
That's a beautiful instruction for a lifetime. Take my name. That's
Oh,
wonderful.
a
Now,
lifetime of many lifetimes. No, sir.
So, BJ, that's an amazing story. Can you tell us about your next lifetime where you're going to incarnate?
Baba knows, but like to be around him. Yeah.
I wanted to acknowledge Cliff too, who is the quintessential, the professional. I mean, you have such a reputation for your quality, uh,
Okay.
musicianship, I guess would be the word. How wonderful that you're both here together. Thank you all. All right, so may you continue. Let's hear it.
So the next song is a song written by Bhauji, and this song later been translated by Jim Meyer also, like Come Soon, Come Soon. So I sing the Hindi version. I sang that Come Soon on the center last Saturday, and so I sing the Hindi version now. तड़पा किए हैं रात दिन रूपक अब छोड़ के आराम हम बेचैन इतने हो गए, बेचैन इतने हो गए। अब लेके तेरा नाम हम तड़पा किए हैं रात दिन। जग में निकम्मे हो गए, जग में निकम्मे हो गए। तेरी मोहब्बत के लिए काम के अब हो गए, जब हो गए बेकाम हम तड़पा किए हैं रात दिन। हो मेहर तू देर न कर, ओ मेहर तू देर न कर, मिल जा कर अब आस तू कि तुझसे मिलने के लिए, कि तुझसे मिलने के लिए बैठे दिल को थाम हम तड़पा किए हैं रात दिन। बैरी हमारे रो रहे, बैरी हमारे रो रहे, बैरी हमारे रो रहे। देख कर भाऊ दशा उसको दया दीन अब, उसको दया दीन अब। जिसका बिले देना हम तड़पा किए हैं रात दिन। अब छोड़ गए अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय। When I become useless, then I become useful. And such a torture, my enemies are crying to see my condition, but he is not, no compassion for me. That's what Bhauji says. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, Baba.
Rainy, we had a wonderful Mehramai celebration yesterday at Circle Center.
Oh, how
And
beautiful.
yeah.
Ah,
And Kathy Riley
lovely.
brought the sari, the
Beautiful.
blue sari worn by Mehra.
So
And
sweet of you. That's lovely.
yeah, lovely. And I thought Rainy will be happy to know.
If her
Yeah.
sari's near me, I'm happy. Thank you. That's
We
beautiful.
had a beautiful cake by Bob Underwood, sweet cake. And Al and Kathy organized that very nicely.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely.
So I will sing some Kabir song. Rainy may like it. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Kabirale, wawa.
Kabir. Yeah, yeah. And the earth says to the potter that what you are crushing me, one day I will crush you. And he says that when we have come, then we will go also. It's so quite natural. And see whether I go on the throne or I go in the shackles. Uh, yeah. And never torture a weak person. And because his curse, no, curse means if you say hi, breathe, deep breathing, then that will burn. Even the he gives the example of the gold iron smith, what you call the smith, who pumps that even the dead skin of the pump, and he says ki it burns the iron. Earlier, Kabir time, they had those, don't have those
The
furnaces.
bellows of the blacksmith.
Gallows, yeah, and they use leather. And Kabir gives example that the sigh, deep sigh of a weak person who is being tortured. Uh, so don't take, never, never anytime. And then he says, the world is like a grinder, and two, they used to crush grains. So he gives the example of that the two plates. Everyone is grinding. No one, no one is saved. Everyone is keeps under comes under grinding. Yeah, that's the way of the world. And he says ki these our bones, they burn like wood, and these hair like a grass, and everything burning, and Kabir becomes sad to see everything burning. Yeah. And yeah. And so he says कि in दुख में सुमिरन सब करे, when you are when you are unhappy, when you are under sorrow, you remember God, and when you are happy, you forget everything. But Kabir says कि if you uh, remember God in your happy times, then the suffering will not come to you. And Baba said during his early days, when Mehra used to watch through the window, and Baba used to sing in his beautiful voice. And then he comes down and he asks Mehra, do you know? And Baba knew that Mehra is watching him through the window. And Baba tells, do you understand the meaning of the song? And Mehra says, yes, Baba, I sometime I learned from my cook, he's a Urdu cook and whatever. And he says, "Ki when you are the most happy, like if you are going to eat your best food, or you have happy times or dancing, or at that moment, if you remember God, that's the best moment. That makes God happy. Yeah, yeah. So I sing this song, and because I remember that, so Kabir song, sort of slow. Na 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 माटी कहे कुम्हार से तू क्या रोंदे मोहे माटी कहे कुम्हार से तू क्या रोंदे मोहे एक दिन ऐसा आएगा मैं रो दूंगी तो मैं रो दूंगी तो आए हैं सो जाएंगे आए हैं सो जाएंगे राजा रंग फकीर आए हैं सो जाएंगे राजा रंग फकीर एक सिंहासन चढ़ चले एक बंधे जंजीर एक सिंहासन चढ़ चले एक बंधे जंजीर दुर्बल को न सताइए जाकी मोटी हार मरी खाली हाय से लोह भस्म हुई जाए लोह भस्म हुई जाए चलती चाकी देख कर दिया कबीरा रोए चलती चाकी देख कर दिया कबीरा रोए दो पाटन के बीच में साबित बचान को दो पाटन के हृदय साच है ताके हृदय प्रभुआ जाके हृदय साच है ताके हृदय प्रभुआ दुख में सुमिरन सब करे सुख में करे ना कोई जो सुख में सुमिरन करे तो दुख काहे होए तो दुख काहे होए अवतार मेहर बाबा की जय Baba loved Kabir. Yeah, it's so straightforward. Yeah.
Can you do Gongata now?
Pardon me?
Can you do Gongata now?
I didn't get the words. So what is that?
Gongata
I can do that.
Kapataro.
Yeah, I can do that. And the meaning, can you explain? The ghungat means the veil. And yeah, let me see if I could get it. And I think Mehra like that song. Ghungat ke pat khol tujhe tere piya milenge. The ghungat means the veil, the woman veil in India. And but he described that ghungat is the veil of Maya. And then when you open it, and you will see the God, the darshan of God. Yeah. So, ghungat, yeah.
We are all like the bride, men and women, asking the beloved to lift the veil.
Yeah, the time will come, definitely. Enjoy the world till then. Yeah, it will come. Don't be patient. Sai Baba says patience, saburi. So have patience. Yeah. When what's the name? Hafiz. When he was blessed by angel, and but he sees the beauty of angel, and the thought comes that if angel is so beautiful, so how beautiful is God? And instead of asking for the girl, he said, I want God, and he was permitted. But it took him 40 years with the master to have the final realization. Yeah. Yeah. I think, yeah. That's a Kaharwa. घूंघट के पट खोल रे तुझे पिया मिलेंगे घूंघट के पट खोल रे घट घट में वो साईं बसता है घट घट में वो साईं बसता है कटुक वचन घूंघट के पट खोल रे धन जो बन का गर्भन कीजे धन जो बन का गर्भन कीजे झूठा इनका मोल रे तुझे पिया मिलेंगे घूंघट के पट खोल रे जागे यतन से रंग महल में जागे यतन से रंग महल में पिया पायो अनमोल रे तुझे पिया मिलेंगे घूंघट के पट खोल रे कहत कबीर आनंद भयो है कहत कबीर आनंद भयो है बाजत अनहद ढोल रे बाजत अनहद ढोल रे तुझे पिया मिलेंगे घूंघट के पट खोल रे कहत कबीर सुनो भई साधो कहत कबीर सुनो भई साधो अनहद बाजत ढोल रे तुझे पिया मिलेंगे घूंघट के पट खोल रे सुने मंदिर में दिया जला के सुने मंदिर में दिया जला के आसन से मत डोल रे तुझे पिया मिलेंगे घूंघट के पट खोल रे जय बाबा
Wow, 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 wow. Jai Baba. Thank
oh
you.
thank you thank you
Dhanyavad. Wow, wow, wow. You were wonderful.
oh thank you
I had to get my words out, but you were wonderful. Thank you.
anything you like to listen or maybe just like
Well, we can do this all night. Yeah.
This is actually an all-night concert.
I am not specific.
Our
I
next
see
one.
Mahu. Mahu is there. Yeah. Hi, Mahu. yeah. Anything, Mahu? Hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yes. Jay Baba.
See you.
Oh,
Vijay ji want to sing Mahol Be Mazal.
Okay. The
Oh,
ghazal.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
Yeah, this is the ghazal by Bahadur Shah Jafar. Jafar was the last dynasty, that Mughal dynasty king. And he was, yeah, in the last days, he has he has that, what you call like, he became like Sima, or he had those painful days for him, but he enjoyed such pain, yeah. Iske Hakiki, he had the glimpse, that pain, yeah. श्लोक है ना 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 without your love, everything is useless. That's what Zafar says. माहौल बेमजा है तेरे प्यार के बगैर. And how I like this song. And John Connor used to sing it a lot. John Connor used to sing two ghazals. One is आप जिनके करीब होते हैं and माहौल बेमजा है तेरे प्यार के बगैर. Mahol is a kind of environment. The environment around us, the nature, we feel everything is Mahol. Yeah. Mahu knows better, the Urdu. Yeah. माहौल बे मजा है तेरे. Rosalie is here. I think Rosalie would also love that. Yeah. Yeah, she's there. माहौल बेमजा है तेरे प्यार के बगैर. माहौल बेमजा है तेरे प्यार के बगैर. कैसे पिए शराब कोई यार के बगैर. How do I drink wine without a good friend? माहौल बेमजा है तेरे प्यार के बगैर. कैसे पिए शराब कोई यार के बगैर. माहौल बेमजा है तेरे प्यार के बगैर. ये इश्क भी है कितना अनोखा मामला. ये इश्क भी है कितना अनोखा मामला. ये इश्क भी है कितना अनोखा मामला. इकरार के बगैर ना इनकार के बगैर. कैसे पिए शराब कोई यार के बगैर. माहौल बेमजा है तेरे प्यार के बगैर. बगैर माहौल बेमज़ा इस शौक से बिछड़ के जफर अपनी जिंदगी इस शौक से बिछड़ के जफर अपनी जिंदगी उस शौक से बिछड़ के जफर अपनी जिंदगी जैसे मकान हो कोई दीवार के बगैर जैसे पिए शराब कोई प्यार के बगैर माहौल बेमज़ा है तेरे प्यार के बगैर Jafar, he says, my life with that worldly life now it is without walls, it is wide open. And yeah, he says to his master, if you have got time, please pay attention to those who didn't have love in their life. I love that. So he's requesting his master also, appealing. That's why he cares for others also. He say, yeah, whenever you have spare time, fursat mile, then you ask their halchal also. Yeah. You want to say anything, Rani?
Oh, I found the old sheet when we learnt it with Johnny Connors from Artie's tapes.
I left one stanza.
And we used to get them like this, and we were expected to learn them.
Yeah, great. Yeah.
Johnny Connors and the Gopis. I was one of the Gopis.
Yeah.
But it meant that when I came here in '88, I then went to Aliappa Khan College to find out about what I was doing. So I learned out what I was doing after I learned the songs.
If Rosalie has any means ask Rosalie, maybe I sing for her. आप जिनके करीब होते हैं.
Oh yes, or Khudapane, Kole, or Dilly Dilmi, or
Yes.
आप जिनके
any of
करीब
them
होते
as
हैं.
well.
Yeah.
She
Yeah.
also loved that Hamse Basheroko,
हमसे
Besaharoko.
बेसहारों को. Yeah, I don't have lyrics for that. Yeah. Sorry.
DJ is Apajina K, is that Madhusudan?
No.
No. Oh, different. Okay.
It is,
We have
it is by, let me think. Yeah, I will remember it at the end. It is his name comes in the end.
Yeah.
good. Let's
Yeah.
hear it. Can we hear that one? I'd love
Yeah,
to hear that one. Yeah.
Yeah, you see.
DJ made me take a lot of vitamins.
Oh, and he got a good nap before.
Oh, he's tired.
Yeah. While I was gone to Kathy Riley and Tom Riley had a walk, he had a nice
I got a nap. I really needed it. I was wiped.
And Al was there with me.
Yeah. Hey, Al. Jay Baba.
This like ghazal क्या है?
Slow it down.
Na, 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 na. your nearness. आप जिनके करीब होते हैं वो बड़े खुश नसीब होते हैं आप जिनके करीब होते हैं जब तबीयत किसी पे आती है जब तबीयत किसी पे आती है मौत के दिन करीब होते हैं वो बड़े खुश नसीब होते हैं आप जिनके करीब होते हैं इश्क में और तो कुछ नहीं मिलता इश्क में और तो कुछ नहीं मिलता सैकड़ों गम नसीब होते हैं वो बड़े खुश नसीब होते हैं आप जिनके करीब होते हैं नूह की नूह की कद्र कोई क्या जाने नूह की कद्र कोई क्या जाने आप जिसको नसीब होते हैं आप किसको नसीब होते हैं वो बड़े खुश नसीब होते हैं आप जिनके करीब होते हैं उनका मिलना फिराक का मिलना का मिलना फिराक का मिलना फिराक गोरखपुरी that's the poet आप किसको नसीब होते हैं वो बड़े खुश नसीब होते हैं आप जिनके करीब होते हैं जय बाबा हाँ
Beautiful.
Oh, God, beautiful.
thank you
Oh.
Lovely, Vijay.
thank you welcome
If you
going
have,
right time wise Gatti
We have
Want to hear, you want to hear another one, or should we call it a night?
I'll see. I'm sorry. You can determine. I have about 3 different requests. How are you? I don't know how you're holding up. Should we?
Yeah.
Should we?
It's up to VJ.
what are the requests
Ishtiake, Om Namo, and Jahan Kalpana by Madhusudan.
I can show you them.
Well, I think Ishtiyake is very short and written by Baba. And I think that's a very precious song. I
Good.
can take up. And soon after that, Jaha Kalpana is the Aarti. So I can sing the Aarti, Madhusudan Aarti.
Perfect.
And that
Okay.
will be the end of the program.
Perfect.
And Om Namo is I think it's a repetition of Baba's name. Namo Meherba, Om Namo, Namo Meherba, Om Namo. Is the one she who is asking this one?
This is Marilyn. Is that
Huh?
Marilyn? You say.
Who?
Marilyn was asking.
Ah, okay. I wish, but I think it's just two lines. It's a Baba's repetition.
Okay.
Oh,
name.
good.
Yeah,
Wonderful. Thank you, VJ.
yeah, thank you. Hi, Marilyn. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
I can sing it sometime for you, Marilyn.
I think we're getting a list. We're getting a list for the next time.
So I
Yeah.
sing Ishtiyake very fast.
Yeah, okay, good. Okay.
And 24, yeah. Yeah.
Slow Carol.
Yeah, no, it's not Kaherwa. You can just go with the any means just
Maybe Trital, Nadin, Din. Yeah, maybe. Or Dadra. इश्तिया के शौक जब हद से सिवा हो जाएगा सामने आँखों के बोझल वानुमा हो जाएगा क्या कहूँ ये दिल खुद ही खो कर तू क्या हो जाएगा क्या कहूँ ये दिल खुद ही खो कर तू क्या हो जाएगा वास्ले हक होगा बंदे से खुदा हो जाएगा कानों में आकर के वो कह गए मुझे पर्दे की बात कान में आकर के वो कह गए मुझे पर्दे की बात मैं तेरा हो जाऊंगा जब मैं तेरा हो divine love crosses its limit or peak, then he will be appearing in front of your eyes. What shall I say, my heart? When you lose self, you become what? You will be qualified from slave to God. In my ear, he told me the perfect real thing. When you become mine, I will be yours. Yeah. Jai Baba.
This has been just wonderful. Oh my goodness.
That's how I was. Yeah, yeah. So first I sing the four and then you say yeah. Divya Sanatan Param Dayadhan He Jagan. No, sorry. Jahan Kalpana. Jahan Kalpana शब्द न पहुँचे ऐसे अपरंपार नेति नेति वेद पुकारे महिमा तुरी दिव्य सनातन परम दयादन दिव्य सनातन परम दयादन हे जग उद्धारो मेरे मन आरती स्वीकारो मेरा मन आरती स्वीकारो उपदीप चंदन चर्चाना भोग लगाना फूल चढ़ाना तुमरा ही तुमको लौटाना काहे बड़ाई करूं मेरे मन आरती स्वीकारो मेरा मन आरती स्वीकारो सकल निधि के तुम कारण हो सकल विश्व तारण हरे हो तुम सम और नहीं तुम ही हो सत अवतारो मेरे मन आरती स्वीकारो मेरा मन आरती स्वीकारो सकल चराचर तुम्हारी माया माया भी तो तुम्हारी छाया तुम्हारा अंत न कोई पाया तुम अनंत करो मेरा मन आरती स्वीकारो मेरा मन आरती स्वीकारो अपने को जब जो नहीं जाने महिमा तुम्हारी क्या पहचाने जो कुछ भी कहते अनजाने गुण गाते तुम्हारो मेरा मन आरती स्वीकारो मेरा मन आरती स्वीकारो सीम Meher Baba ki jai.
Avatar
Meher Baba ki jai.
Avatar Meher Baba
Baba.
ki jai.
Yay.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Wow, it's
Yeah,
fabulous.
wonderful.
Oh.
Inspiring
I
me.
didn't know it wasn't.
Vijay, let's hear it for
Jai Baba.
Vijay.
Jai Baba. Vijay, you just took us to Baba's Samadhi.
Yes.
They sing this at the arti time, evening mostly.
Oh
Yeah.
my goodness. Yeah. Oh.
I hope we all can go soon.
This is fabulous. You need a rest. We need to leave you just to have a little bit of a rest. Then you come back to Artie.
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful.
VJ, when I saw you today at the center, I should have gotten your autograph.
There's still time.
You're a rock star,
I will take
You-
your autograph. You take
both
mine.
of you.
But the price has gone up. I'm actually handling it.
See, he's charging.
It's 10
Yeah.
rupees signature.
Don't keep telling them that.
How long
They
do we
don't.
have you? How long are you here, Vijay?
Well, Sunday I am going back to Nashville where my son and my wife is there. And so I will be staying there for a couple months and then fly back to India.
So will you sing from there? Can we get you to sing from there for us?
Yeah, let us see. There it is kind of, but I will sing in the afternoon. I can sing. What happens? Nashville kind of cold place. It's a mountain, and my cycle is like I don't have any time. Anytime wake up, anytime sleep, and I have there to serve a little puppy also, and my son. So
Vijay, Nashville, Tennessee.
yeah,
You said
yeah,
Nashville, Tennessee.
Tennessee, yeah.
Yeah. Interesting.
So, but afternoon I can always find time, and morning 11 o'clock, like 10 o'clock, nice time. Yeah, fine time.
Okay,
Yeah.
we'll pin you down. We'll
Give
see.
my
if-
love to Kenny.
Yeah.
My love to Kenny.
Yeah,
And you have your
Wonderful.
guzzles, BJ. You
So
have your
beautiful.
guzzle time. Will you sing during guzzle time? We'll see.
well, I think the ghazal time. Yeah, I will try. Yeah, I will try.
Okay.
And also, Vijay, you don't come to the reading session.
All your spare time, VJ.
We hold you hostage.
We're gonna chase you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm very easily accessible. You can ask me.
Oh, thank you
Thank
both
you.
so
Thank you.
much. Such energy.
It was very nice. Thank
Both of
you. Yeah.
Cliff, thank you so much.
Thank you, Cliff. You
Thank you, Cliff.
really add on to the quality of music. Thank you.
So much fun.
And
to get-
VJ, are you coming to the Mayhair Center on Saturday?
Yeah. Jai Baba. Yeah.
Jai
Yeah.
Baba.
Yeah. Saturday. Meher Center.
Okay, okay.
Rhymes and Merry Christmas and
That's right.
Happy New Year.
Yes, I hope I'll see you guys on Saturday.
Thank you.
Thanks so much, Jay Baba.
Thank you. Thank you,
Jai
Vijay.
Baba, everyone.
Vijay, what part of India do you live? I forgot.
Baba.
Pune.
Oh, Pune. So you're close. You're
You know
close
about
to Samadhi. Yeah.
Mahu, you
Big
know.
Baba.
Actually, VJ and I are neighbors. We own blocks of land over the road
yeah,
from each
yeah.
other.
Actually,
Burudgaon.
Ahmednagar,
Yeah.
Ahmednagar,
Really?
my property
Really?
and Rainy, we are
Yeah.
neighbors.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
neighbors. In Burudgaon. VJ and Rainey of Burudgaon.
There is a oil mill now. There is an oil mill next to that property behind Jack Small and yeah.
Oh, we're going to get rich at last.
You know, we are having Artie in about half an hour, so so you can go get a cup of coffee, come back, and just go on the party.
Oh,
But
yeah.
I think people need a
Good
rest.
night.
Yeah.
I could
Baba.
go on
I
with John
never
Collins.
sang so long. Means I think it's a surprise to me how Baba keeps us
Keeps you
going.
active. Yeah.
Baba singing,
It's so
by the way.
actually Baba was singing through me. So
Definitely.
Yeah. Very beautiful. Really
Nothing
touching.
that,
Yeah.
Absolutely, absolutely.
It was wonderful.
Hey,
And Cliff, a surprise to Cliff too, I think.
actually,
The
I'm
poor man
enjoying.
needs another nap.
yeah.
Yeah,
All right.
I am what
Thank you.
center. I'm enjoying so
All
much.
right. See
BJ is
you.
going to be going
Maybe
surfing.
Hey,
our
Baba.
Hey,
Jai
Bob.
Baba. Jai Baba.
Hey,
Hey,
Baba.
Baba.
Everybody take a little rest now.
Baba.
No, I'm cooking Christmas cakes. I can't take a rest, but I'll put John Connor back on the shelf.
All right.
Bye, John.
Okay. See
Bye,
y'all later.
BJ. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
all.
you. Thank you,
Good
Cliff.
night.
Thank you, Cliff.
Get
This
some
was
rest.
fabulous. Wonderful. Wow, what fun.
Very nice.
Great
A
day.
lot of fun. Really great.
Avatar Mir Baba Ki Jai. Avatar Mir Baba Ki Jai. Avatar Mir Baba Ki Jai. Whoops. All right.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
I'll just.